starting to feel the accumulation of soreness from all this training and uh, all this working out and running lately. And uh, this uh, this week was actually the first time I told myself to just go out for a walk instead of running because I just felt felt sore and this was unusual for me because I typically will go running regardless of how I feel. And today I just couldn't. This week I couldn't get myself to run, and it's no. Uh, I don't penalize myself because I didn't run for that day. I see it more as a another day to recover or another day to stretch some other muscles that I may not have really considered. And the low impact of walking helps out tremendously, even moving your body a little at a time. One thing I wanted to touch on this week is the power of mind and how to train your mind. And I think that the mind plays a very important part in your mentality, and I think that training your mind is just as important as training all your muscle parts, because training your mind allows you to push beyond the mental capacity that you have built into your brain. A lot of the times that our mind plays tricks on us, it tells us that uh, we can't do certain things, or maybe today you should rest and relax because you had a great workout yesterday. And I think because the mind always goes towards the path of least resistance. Anything that anything that doesn't take any type of work, the mind will automatically uh, gravitate towards. And I think having having that conscious muscle in your mind to think that maybe I shouldn't rest so many days out of the week, and maybe I should at least get my body to be moving some type of activity that raises my heart level. I think the most important part is to increase uh, your heart rate, and that was one of the first things that I was taught when I first started running, uh, and I still have that mentality to this day. Is that I don't sprint during my runs. I do more of a jog, and once I'm warmed up and my heart rate is going, then depending on how I feel, the next 5 to 10 minutes of my run, that's when I would increase or decrease depending on how I feel for the day. And uh, as long as I get my heart rate up and I put in the miles, I think those that aspect is key to uh, building some sort of mental state where you can sustain, and also you can grow that mental state. This week, I, like I said, I had a walk included, so I put it in my mileage log, uh, and you can see in my mileage log, I my pace has fallen off from the race. So the first 2 days, I believe, after the race was like at 10 minutes a mile, and then this week I had a lot of 9:30s. Just getting my legs back under me, because I'm gonna be honest, the day after the race, definitely felt muscles I've never felt before getting sore, and this race really reignited uh, why I love to run, or uh, why I like to have other people around me do the same race. It's just that camaraderie feeling of all these people gathered to accomplish the same goal, and having like-minded people only only bolsters the mental capacity that you have, the mental strength to keep moving forward. And that's what running is. It's always one step at a time, and putting one foot in front of the other, and doing that for as long as you can. That's it for this week, and I'll catch you in the next one.